Hi, I'm Eric Ziel, talking to you today about our personal member ministry program here at St. Matthew's. You are an absolute masterpiece, just a wonderful creation. But don't take my word for it. That's what God calls you in Ephesians 2. For we are God's workmanship, created in Christ Jesus to do good works, which God prepared in advance for us to do. God's workmanship, His special creation, that's you. You've been gifted with many spiritual gifts. God's been shaping you and molding you for, did you catch it? For a purpose. Ephesians 2, verse 10 tells you that God has good works planned for you. Works that only you can do with your unique ability and skill set. You've been shaped to serve. Or to put it another way, there are things God has prepared for you, and there are things that God has prepared you for. That's your personal ministry. One of the main goals of our personal member ministry program here at St. Matthew's is to connect those two things. The gifted, you, with opportunities for meaningful service right here at St. Matthew's. We want to invite everyone, whether you're new to St. Matthew's or a veteran of many years, to sign up for one of our Shaped to Serve workshops this fall. We have 2 workshops scheduled this fall. They'll take place right here in our beautiful chapel between services on Sundays. To find out more about the Shape to Serve workshops, you can check out your email inbox or visit our PMM table this month in between services in the gathering space. Thank you. May God bless you as you continue to learn more about God's plans for your life.